Good morning, folks. This is Noah Turner with Willow Ridge Garden Center and Landscaping. Finally experiencing some cool weather here in Knoxville, which is why we're all dressed up and buttoned up today. We are working on a water drainage issue at this gentleman's house. He previously had water running all the way to his front door, in past his sidewalk and everything. So we came in and we're doing some retaining wall, a French drain, and I'll show you guys what progress we've made so far. So you can see where originally his slope came all the way down to his front porch, and he had water all the way standing to his front door. So what we came in and did is we added a retaining wall here with a drain system behind it to catch, the water that comes off of that hillside, and that pipe is going to run all the way down to his creek down there. We then added a French drain in front of the wall for any standing or rainwater that lands on this side of it, and this also runs all the way down to his, I guess you could say, dry creek down there. So this is going to catch, almost all of the water that he's having issues with, because he was catching this whole hillside here, taking it all the way down. We've got nice character in the retaining wall. We're going to be doing some river rock work here, covering up our drain system. We got his downspout reconnected. It had an old failed pipe in it. He originally had a French drain here in front of this sidewalk, but it was, old and clogged. It was, not installed properly. So got that taken care of, ripped out and replaced with a new, more efficient drain. So we'll get you guys a video update when we're finished up. Well, today we finished up our drainage project, and I wanted to get on here and show you guys what we came up with. So this is the end result. We got a beautiful character boulder here, our retaining wall. We did some river rock behind to give it that clean decorative look that also helps kind of catch any water that comes down behind there. Got our French drain here in front of the wall. Got our wall drain behind there. Downspout right there. So all of our water that was previously causing issues from this hillside is now flowing down our dry creek bed. We picked some nice accent rocks to use alongside here and in the middle. Give this creek a little bit of shape, a little bit of character. We could have just buried the lines below ground, but this adds a lot, I think, and I think the homeowners are going to be really happy with it.